Today is the 1st of July 2021. This is Komeetankuja Komeetankuja, one stake here in Olari, close to Matikylä Matby here in Espoo. That's against Force region, also in modernized Finland. This elevator was also built by ValmetSchlieren in 1979, turned 40 years old in 2019. The serial number is VS5505. And there are 8 floors here. It's a bit too slow, so one drive will be enough. The capacity is 4 persons of 305 grams and it's going to be inspected in 2023.
Inspekteert pak je wijs dat met in price voice.
Yeah. Yeah, it's one of not so many ValmetSchlieren elevators in Olari, of course, but they are concentrated in this area. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching.